What's up, guys? Welcome to Hooked. Today is Tuesday and me and Ben are going back out to Mugu, trying to rip some lip, man. It's supposed to be a beautiful day for fishing. It's going to be about 75 degrees, completely sunny. You can't ask for a better day, but yeah, Waylon's with his mama today, going to a water park. So it's just going to be me and Ben today trying to slay him. So we're going to be using my regular Penn 7000 Series 1 and Waylon's new Dawa pole we got last week when we went to Santa Barbara and didn't catch a thing. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you get notifications every time I post new content. Let's go ahead and head on out there. Alright, well, we just got out here to Mugu and I don't know what the hell's going on, but my Penn combo is missing. I hope Ben's just playing a sick joke on me or something and it's in his truck, but if not, I'm gonna be mad. Either way, we got Waylon's pole, luckily, at least, so we're just playing a freaking dirty prank on me. Yeah. Good one. £10 test. Yep. Right away. The fishing gods are paying me back for getting my pole stolen. Ah, dang, there we go. Woo! Look at that boy right there. Woo. Not today. Not today. I already lost my fishing pole. I need to lose my fish. Cast out, bud. Let's go. Make sure we get a good view for the camera. Nice solid fish there. Nice croaker. Get the slightest snag. That cheap bait shop spool they put on there was crap. So, gonna put on our own tri-line, go to. Put it on here, 30-pound test. Fish on. Come on now. Go with the surf. Hell. Right in the lip, baby. Nice. It's a nice jack smelt. Damn, what the hell? What's happening, y'all? We're just wrapping it up here. He wasn't playing a prank on me. Penn reel is gone.
Yep.
But I guess the fish gods felt bad for me and hooked it up a little bit with a decent size croaker and a couple jack smelts. That's a small one. I'm gonna cut it up for bait, but that one's decent right there. So another day with hooked, another day out at Mugu. Can't complain on the fish side, can't complain about the reel being stolen, but things happen. All right, guys, we're almost home. About to see what's going on with Waylon and Mom, see how their day was at the water park. Caught 3 fish today, can't complain, man. Great fishing day. Caught all 3 of them on Waylon's pole. Kind of let the Penn reel that was stolen get the best of me, but taking the high road of a low spot here. Gonna have to end up getting a new combo, which does suck to spend the money and lose the one I've had for 3 years. But get a brand new combo. All right, well, we just pulled up to the house and I decided at the last minute, why not do a catch and cook? I've never done a catch and cook. I see them done all the time, and I'm gonna end up filleting them and cooking them up anyway. So let's get on in there and I'll show y'all how I do my fish. Just filleted them outside, did the croaker, got some nice fillets out of that. Did a little bit of Malibu Spade-Ale Ranch seasoning, fish seasoning. They got seasonings for beef, pork, everything. And for the jack smelt strips, pretty much just did some lemon pepper. Both of these I went ahead and squeezed some fresh lemon juice on them, because on about every fish besides tuna I like to put lemon on there, even cilantro sometimes, just really fresh. But anyway, let's go ahead and wait for this oil to get to the right temp. And using coconut oil, by the way, very tasty, very healthy alternative. All right, let's wait for this to heat up and then we'll go ahead and start cooking. Go cool. Just a quick pan fry sear. Get it nice and cooked up. Make sure you don't burn yourself on this oil. It's hot. Coconut oil gets really thin, really watery when you get it too hot. So the way I can tell if I need to flip my fish is corners of it get kind of white, kind of starts coming up to it toward the top. Once it gets that around the entire thing, go ahead and give it a flip. These smaller pieces don't take long at all. So we're finished cooking the croaker. It smells freaking amazing. Go ahead and throw these jack smelt strips on here. Actually very thick strips of meat, more toward the spine of the fish. It's the best piece. And a lot of people look at a jack smelt and they're like, man, that thing's too dang small. I'm not gonna go home and deal with that. That's your choice, but that top strip of meat to me tastes amazing. You just gotta really make sure you get that bloodline out, because the bloodline in these jack smelts will just completely explode your mouth with fish. Just not good fish, the fish. You know what I mean? But yeah, I think they're tasty. They're awesome. Hell, I'm one of those guys. I'm not one of those guys that's gonna be like, that fish is nasty, unless it's like just infested with tiny bones. That's irritating, and I don't want to deal with all that crap. But other than that, any other fish, I'll try to eat it. If I haven't freaking eaten it before and someone hasn't told me that it's completely bony, I'm gonna try it. Let's go ahead and try out this croaker. God, look at that. I wish we had smell-o-vision, taste-o-vision. Dang, that's good. Man. That seasoning is peppery, it's sweet. Not really smoky, I'd say, but man, it's more sweet than peppery. Add that citrus in there, explosion in your mouth, man.
That is super good. God, I wish you guys could taste this. Blacken that a little more, maybe on the grill. Big enough croaker. Perfect blackened fish sandwich. All right, so we just finished up cooking up this jack smelt. Now I was talking about the top strip, how it's kind of thick, and it's really the only piece of meat you're gonna get off the jack smelt, but look at this. The consistency is almost like albacore tuna, really. But the same consistency. Let's give it a try. That. Will make perfect fish tacos. That's killer. All right, guys. That's it for today's video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click the bell so you can get notifications every time we post new stuff. This catch and cook is new. I just kind of came up with it at the last minute. But I figured I'd show you guys how I prep my fish usually. Yeah, if you like the content, leave a comment down below. Want to say something? Babe, he could say something. And a little hello from Waylon since he's missed out on the whole video. What do you have to say?
Taste was very good and very hot, but that thing was good. And subscribe that one.
All I know is it was good, good and good. So, sounds like we've got a happy customer on our hands. Kids are number one anyway. We'll catch you on the fish side. Later.